Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Garrett. We're here at World of Concrete 2023 at the Hilti booth. I'm here with Amber today, and she's going to go over a couple of products that Hilti's starting to put out. We're going to talk a little bit about these vibrators. Why don't you go ahead and just kind of explain what you're wearing and kind of how it works and what we're doing here.
Perfect. All right, thank you so much. So yes, my name is Amber, and I am the subject matter expert here for our new concrete vibration system at Hilti. And so what I'm wearing here is the NCV10 backpack concrete vibrator and our NCV4 compact concrete vibrator. So essentially, what are we trying to do over here? What are the problems that we're trying to solve? So we are trying to eliminate the need for gas and cords during the pour. The pour is already a stressful time period for everybody. When you are dealing with cords on the floor, you're dealing with a lot of trip hazards, so we're trying to bring safety onto the job site by eliminating the need for that. Once you have a cordless option, a lot of times you're dealing with running an engine on your back. So you have to deal with inhaling fumes all day. On top of that, just kind of the awkwardness of having an engine running on your back, the weight distribution from that end. And then on top of that, dealing with the shakes that are going on in your back, lower back, transferring to the whip, and kind of really just giving you this uncomfortable, exhausted feeling by the end of the day. So with our new NCV10 concrete vibrator backpack, we are eliminating all of those issues with our high cycle motor and head technology. So the motor is actually in the head, and because of this, we're able to have a much sleeker design in the backpack, so you have more mobility on the job site. This is particularly important when you're working on a deck where you have rebar everywhere and you need to be able to move more comfortably. So the backpack actually really kind of attaches to your body as a nice form fit, so much more comfortable on that end. You no longer have an engine running on your back, so you don't feel at all any of the vibration on your back. And the vibration on the whip is very minimal, because all of the vibration is localized in the head of the unit, in the concrete where it should be. And alongside our NCV10 is our NCV4 compact concrete vibrator. And so we are boasting that we have the most vibrations per minute at 15,000 vibrations per minute. This tool really packs a punch. And so if you were to kind of split up the two of what you would want to use them for, this would be a much more for larger volume pours, and this here for smaller volume pours. But because we actually have so much power in this compact concrete vibrator, it actually does really well in situations where you have those larger volume pours, but maybe you have rebar or any of those little kind of pieces around where the head, you don't want to get it stuck in there. So you kind of need a more compact size to get into those nooks and crannies and get the job done without having the issues of getting this tool stuck in there. So yeah, very excited again to introduce this new system.
That's awesome, and I love the points you bring up about safety and not dealing with cords. I can't tell you how many times I've heard of guys tripping over cords up on the scaffolding, pouring down in some basement walls. And so not only are these products better for your jobs and help you have a better looking pour, they're a lot safer for you guys while you're out there on the job, and they prevent a lot of injuries and maybe even death. So I really appreciate your time here, Amber. Thank you so much for showing us around.
No, thank you for having us.
Thank you so much.
Yo!